Oh boy. I'm good. Oh, wait. Oh, there's something in the pile. How did I not notice this? This thing is bright orange, not even the same color as the other leaves. Anyways, meet us for a party at Fire Haven in the Monster World at 3:05. Toe Jammer, that's in an hour! I thought this thing was going to be in a few days, not a few hours. Come on, we gotta go! Right, the door's on the other side. Oh, we gotta go. Hey, we should really fix that thing on the door. But not now. Wait a minute. Aren't you gonna have to teleport us to the monster world since, you know, can't really walk there? Good call. And can you please not have the portal in the weird... Toe Jammer, I don't think this is the right spot. This is my Composer Island. There's a bunch of Toe Jammers here, and quite frankly, it's freaking me out. Could we go to Fire Haven? And can you not put the portal in such a weird... Oh, thanks, Toe Jammer. Whew, I was worried we wouldn't make it there. Now we can have the party. Oh yeah, Toe Jammer, that was a great party. What was that? There it was again. Toe Jammer. Is that? Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make Rare Gobblygourd out of clay from My Singing Monsters. Here's what you will need. Dark green clay, white clay, yellow clay, red clay, black clay, orange clay, magenta, dark brown clay, and a toothpick. Let's get started. First, take your dark green clay and rip off a piece about the size of your thumb, and then roll it around into a ball. Then use your toothpick and put lines into it. Then mix some black and your dark green to get an even darker green. Then get bits of your dark green, put it on your toothpick, and smear it into the cracks. Do that for all the sides, so that it looks like this. Make 2 of them. Then take some more green about the size of your thumb, and then flatten it out just a little bit, but to where it's still a little thick. Then use your toothpick to make designs in it to make it look like grass, or a bunch of little feathers. Then take yellow and rip it into 2 pieces, 1 big piece and 1 smaller piece. Then take your big piece and roll it into a big long tube. Then make it look like a cashew. Then rip off a bunch of tiny pieces of your clay and make them into tiny little balls. And then stick them all over to make it look like a gourd. Once it's done, it should look like this. Then make another one, but smaller. Then take some red clay and flatten it out. Then draw lines and cut with your toothpick across. And then draw it at an angle so that you get a sort of a leaf shape. Then it's easier to just rip apart. Then put it together to make it look like leaves or feathers. You should have 2 of them. Then take some of your magenta and rip it into 4 pieces. And then flatten them out and form them into sort of a diamond shape. Then make a shape like that, and then make one the opposite. Then take your dark brown and rip it into 6 pieces. And form those into the same diamond shape. Then put them together in 3s. Like that. Then take your white clay and roll it into a tube and then break it in half. Put one of that tube into a marshmallow shape and then take the other one and roll it into a ball. and then attach the ball and the marshmallow together. Then take a toothpick and put it inside the head. Then take some more dark brown and roll it into a tube. And then put the toothpick through that as well. Then take a toothpick and at the bottom make it look like a feather or fur design. Next, take your yellow and rip it into 2 big pieces. Roll them into sort of a triangle shape. Then take your toothpick and put it down and squish it so that you have 3 divided areas and form it into a foot that looks like this. Do that for both. Then take some of your black and make triangles. Attach that onto the bottom to make it look like a claw. Do that for both feet. Then take your 2 pumpkins and your head and use a toothpick to attach them together, like this. Put one end in the pumpkin and then poke the other end through the bottom and then attach the other one on the side. Then take the big grassy looking patch and attach it onto the back. Then take your red feathers and put them on top of the pumpkin. Then take one of your big gourds and attach it onto the back, and take another one and attach it a little more into the front, like that. Then attach the wings onto the side. Then take your magenta ones and attach them on top. Then take your claws and attach them onto the bottom, like that. Then take more of your yellow and rip it into 2 big chunks, making one a little bit bigger than the other. Then make it banana shape and press your fingers in and make it like a boat shape. Then take some of your black, flatten it out, and put it in the bottom. Then do the same for the top, but make it a little more rounded at the edge. Then take some of your red, roll it really thin, and then get a really small piece of your white and put it at the end of the tube. And then attach them together to make it wide open, like that. And then attach it onto the front. Then take your yellow and make 3 cones. And put one on the side, one on the other, and then one at the top. Then take your white and make 2 little balls. Then take pieces of your black, not quite as big, and put them in the center so that you have eyeballs. Then take your yellow and roll out a really long snake. Then take some more of your yellow and make 2 half circle shapes and attach them on the bottom. Then take your yellow tube and wrap it around the eye. Then get just a little bit of white on your toothpick and then rub that into the top of your eyeball. And one at the bottom so that it looks like that. Make 2 of those. Then take your white clay, make it into the diamond shape, and then flatten it out. That way it looks like a feather. Then add the detail. Then add big slits in it to make it look like it's tattered. Then add big slits in it to make it look like it's worn. And attach the eyeballs on. Next, take half a toothpick and put it on the back. Then poke the toothpick all the way in. And now it is done. And to finish it off, bake at 275 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Then you can have a cute little Rare Gobblygourd to look at all day. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!